Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed faculty and administrators, proud parents, and most importantly, the extraordinary class of 2023, I am both humbled and privileged to be standing before you today.
As we gather here to celebrate your graduation, we stand on the foundation of a new chapter filled with boundless opportunities and exciting challenges. Each one of you has embarked on a unique journey to reach this milestone.
Life is a series of passageways, and today we are leaving one and moving on to the next. When we reach that daunting place in a few weeks, we will start over. We will meet new people, make new trends, and learn new things.
During this extraordinary expedition, you are to seek your life's purpose. It matters to your parents, your brothers and sisters, your community, and most importantly, to you. Your life is not meant to be a carbon copy of someone else's. It is divinely entrusted by God, who has immense plans for you.
God may sometimes sever us into several hardships in life because He wants us to be inspired by those hardships so that we will value the life He has prepared for us. You know, God may sometimes break us so He can strengthen us. Isang araw, magigising ka na lang na yung mga dasal mo noon, buhay mo na ngayon. That is how God works in our favor. So don't be discouraged.
On the verge of surrender, persevere. When you experience pain, persevere. When you are confronted with grief, persevere. Always remember your parents, your teachers, and your loved ones that are cheering for you and for your success.
Graduates, this is a profound truth that obstacles aren't necessarily hindrances, but catalysts for growth. Engaging in battle with an obstacle forces us to summon our deepest reserves of strength and resilience.
Chasing your dreams is not just an abstract idea. It is a call to action. Our dreams are what set our hearts on fire and give meaning to our existence. Embrace those dreams no matter how daring they may appear. Believe in yourself and your capabilities, and don't let fear of failure deter you from taking that leap of faith. The road to success may be winding, and setbacks may test your determination. But remember that each failure is an opportunity to learn, improve, and evolve.
Nobody can tell what future awaits us, what lies ahead for everyone, and what to expect for tomorrow. Nakasalalay ang lahat ng ito sa ating tadhana, sa ating sarili, kung paano natin patuloy na huhubugin ang bukas upang mapagtagumpayan ang bawat pangarap na ating inaasam. This occasion is a manifestation of everyone's commitment to pursue personal growth. Life is a journey. Thus, it does not stop from here. There are many opportunities for every one of you.
Each of us will carve our own unique path. Let us not lose sight on what truly matters. It is the fact that everyone has their own time to shine, as fate always presents a myriad of choices, and that depends on the right person, right place, and the right time.
The track you choose and the decisions you will make will leave lasting imprints. But remember, it's okay to stumble and fall. For each misstep is a stepping stone to learning and growth. This is where you'll discover more about yourselves and begin to shape the person you aspire to be.
Friends, I celebrate with you your wins, no matter how monumental or mundane they may seem for others. As we finish this chapter of our academic journey, it is only right that we celebrate how far we've come. Sabi nga nila, malayo pa, pero malayo na.
Every bruise and every scar.
Remember, today is not just about changing your lives, but also about transforming your family's future. The future you've dreamt about is no longer just a possibility. It's an achievable reality. Take it, embrace it, and don't let anyone stand in your way.
I believe, yes, I believe it. I can see, yes, I can see.
Now, as our graduation draws to an end, and as we begin to part to our own separate ways in life, may we never forget to cherish all of the learnings we have gained and the memories we have made. Moreover, may we never forget those people who have been there, supporting and cheering for us since day one. Dahil sila ang nag-udyok sa atin tungo sa kinaroroonan natin ngayon.
Dear graduates and parents, from this day forward, make every decision with the best interest in mind. Believe in yourself that you can attain your purpose and carry out your dreams. You all have taken the first step by making it in today's ceremony. Grand salute to all of you.
I believe, yes, I believe it.
Your journey just got even more exciting. We are humbled by your trust, and we eagerly await the heights you will soar to. Again, congratulations to all of you. God bless you all. Diyos mabalos po.
Every bruise and every scar